Hello, my name is Larry Naransky. I'm Technical Director of Convergent Water Controls here in Sydney, Australia. I want to introduce to you a new product called the DICE, which is a patented product developed and manufactured by Meunier Technologies in Canada. Convergent Water Controls are the exclusive agent for this product for Australia. It is a very innovative product which is one module which is designed to replace a traditional chemical dosing skid manifold in a much smaller footprint than traditionally you would be used to seeing out there in the market. For those of you that are familiar with chemical dosing skids, they would all contain a dosing pump as well as a lot of discrete components which are all solvent welded together, such as back pressure valves, pressure reducing valves, calibration columns, valving, piping and so on. These are all prone to issues such as breakages, chemical leakages. They also take up a lot of space. With the DICE product, what they've done is they've incorporated all those components in one module, which actually eliminates all those connections, all those solvent weld connections, all those threaded joints. As you can see in the module here, we have a back pressure valve here, pressure relief valve here, pressure gauge, and all the required valving and ports that allow you to set the product up in the correct configuration. Each DICE product is fully tested at the factory, so all that's required is to mount it, install it, and away you go.